In our next video, we're going to be finding the circumcenter of a triangle. And our first thing we have to do is, again, construct the triangle itself. So you're going to stretch your compass over the longest point, or the longest line, sorry. And then you're going to kind of transfer it down here. Just make a little kind of point there. And a point right there. Then take your straight edge and just draw a little line segment here. Take your compass, stretch it over another point. Then you're going to put your center point on this little end point, and you're going to swing an arc. So this arc marks like all the possible points that this next segment could intersect. So you take this, put your center point on the other end point, and then swing a little bit of an arc, and then right where this intersection is like the top of your triangle. So take straight edge, draw a line. Oh man, it's not one to draw for me.
Stay tuned for scenes from our next episode.
Metastatic breast cancer is trying to stop me. But not today. Today, there's a new treatment for women like me who won't be healed back.
Okay, so now we have all of our 3 lines drawn, and our next step is to create perpendicular bisectors. So basically this is the same process as the midpoint, just you're using the lines that you're going to draw through your midpoint, just the bisectors, to connect. Okay, so you're going to draw an arc, or put your center point on your end point, swing an arc up, make sure that your pencil is a little bit more than halfway on the line. Do the same thing for the other side, don't change the measurement of your compass. And then you're going to take your straight edge and you're going to actually draw a line through the intersections here and here. Okay, there we have one line. And then you're going to do the same thing on here. Straight edge. Draw a line again. More than half. Arc. And that, for some reason, did not work at all. Or, no, that just looks weird because your circumcenter is actually going to be down here a little bit. I remember in a different construction that I did, the lines were inside, so it worked out nicely for me. But basically, you just have to kind of draw your lines down a little bit more until they all intersect. So right here is where they intersect. And you're going to take your compass, put the center point on that point, which is your circumcenter, and you're going to stretch it over to one of your outside segments of the triangle. swing it. It should intersect all of our points here. Went a little bit off the paper, but that's okay. You can tell that it's, connecting to all of our line segments, so it's going to be a pretty perfect circle here. Define it a little bit. Alright, so that is how you find the circumcenter of a triangle. That is right here. See, I experienced it doesn't really matter if it's outside the triangle or inside. It's just going to surround all of your points and create a circle that is circumscribed around the triangle. And there we go. Well, for your segments, or for your endpoints, it's going to be A, B, C. There's really no congruency statements. It just kind of makes it a little bit more concrete, but basically we're just finding the circumcenter, so there it is.